Everyone, today we will do exercise 1F. This exercise basically deals with the how to find as many as rational numbers possible between the two rational numbers. Very simple. मान लो, let's assume that in a number line there exists 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. अब तुमसे कोई पूछता है कि what are the rational number which exist between -1 and 1? So you will write, sir, 0 is the rational number which exists between -1 and 1. Similarly, if someone asks you what are the rational numbers that exist between, let's say, between 3 and -2, what you will write? That, sir, -1, 0, 1 and 2 are the rational numbers which exist basically between -2 and 3. But my next question is, how many rational number exist between 0 and 1? Then what you will say? Please remember that there exists infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, किसी दो rational number के बीच में यहाँ पर 0 and 1 है, उसके बीच में करोड़ों अरबों rational number exist कर सकते हैं. So now we will see how we will how we will find out as many as rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So let's see first question number 1. This is question number 1. Find a rational number between 1 and 4. 1 and 4 and 1/3 में आपको सिर्फ एक rational number निकालना है, कुछ नहीं कीजिए. LCM of 4 and 3 we all know is 12. Better try to solve any maths given from this exercise by only one method, that is through denominator, means equalizing the denominator through LCM. अब क्या करें? Therefore 1/4 को लिख सकते हैं, 1/4 into 3/3 is equal to 3/4. 1/3 is equal to 1/3 into 4/4 is equal to 4/12. लेकिन यहाँ भी if you will find it out that between 3 and 4 there doesn't exist any other number. So what you will do again? Now afterwards 3/12 को is equal to 3/12 into 10/10 is equal to 30/120. Similarly 4/12 is equal to now rational number between 1/4 and 1/3 is, अभी नीचे डिनोमिनेटर आपका सेम है, you write any one of the number, 31/120, 32/120. You can at least write 9 rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/3. Out of any 9 you just write any one. फिर से सिखा रहा हूँ, कोई भी दो नंबर हो, आप कुछ नहीं करना, उसके डिनोमिनेटर को पहले तो LCM निकाल लेना. LCM के बाद if the denominators become equal or then still and there is no gap and there is no rational number existing between the two numerators, just you simplify it by 10/10, 10/10 या 100/100, 1000/1000 और उसके बीच में जितने भी नंबर्स आएंगे आप उसको प्लीज लिख लीजिए. Now we will solve one more question. Let's see question number 4. How to find question number 4? Please jot it down. Find two rational numbers between -3 and -2. अब इसको कैसे सॉल्व करें? तो कैन -3 बी रिटन एज -3 इक्वल टू -3, नीचे तो 1 है डिनोमिनेटर, सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 10/10 इज इक्वल टू -30/10. ठीक है, -2 since दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर ऑलरेडी इट वाज 1, दैट्स व्हाई आई डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 10/10. नाउ कितने रैशनल नंबर निकालने बोल रहे हैं? फाइंड 2. तो 2 रैशनल नंबर्स between -3 and -2 are -21/10 and -22/10. Please solve. This is how you will solve question number 4. Now one more question. Let's solve from question number 6 and then we will solve question number 7 or 8 of your choice. Right? Please jot it down. Six. 2/3 and 3/4. Again, I am telling you, between two rational numbers, there exists infinite number of rational numbers. Means दो rational number के बीच में आप जितना चाहे 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख, जितना आप चाहें आप rational number निकाल सकते हैं. Again, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now what to do? तो 2/3 पहले ही सिखाया, दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स को क्या करेंगे? रैशनलाइज कर देंगे. 2/3, 12, 4, 4, 8/12. Now 3/4 into 3/3 is 9/12. But अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम आ गया? Although the denominator is same, but between 8 and 9 there doesn't exist any number. So in this case, what we will do? Again 8/12 is equal to, लिख सकते हैं, कितने नंबर निकालने बोल रहे हैं? 3. So always multiply that by 10/10 is 80/120. Then your this method, why this method is very important? Because it will help you to solve maths in class 9 also. Correct? So better try to solve by this process only. Now, तो 80 and 120 के बीच में तो आप लिखेंगे 3 rational numbers are between 2/3 and 3/4 are, जो आपको लिखना है लिख लीजिए. 81/120, 82/120, 83/120. This is how you will solve. Correct? Now we will solve one more question. Let's solve question number 7 और question number 8 में. चलो question number 8 ही solve कर देते हैं. But first you jot it down. Question number 8. Dear students, out of the 8 question, why I am solving 4, or that is almost 50%, because I always feel that by solving more and more, by attempting more and more questions will help you to understand about the question and how you will be able to solve. So Remaining 4 questions, better you try to solve it in home. Even in case of in case of any doubt, you can call me up. So last question is, find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. -1 and 2. Since if you will see, both has denominator as 1. बोला सर केस 1 में तो दोनों का denominator ऑलरेडी क्या है, सेम है. So we will write -1 is equal to -1 into 100 by 100. Why I did by 100, not 10 by 10 this time? Because सिर्फ 9 रैशनल नंबर मुझे मिलता है. 9 रैशनल नंबर्स वी विल एबल टू फाइंड इट बाय 10 by 10. इसलिए हम लोगों ने पहले 100 by 100 कर दिया. -100 by 100 and 2 is equivalent to, can you write it down, 2 into 100 by 100. Students, you might think also that why Amit sir is doing it by 100 by 100, but actually आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो. When you write something as 100 by 100 or 10 by 10, आप किसी भी चीज को 1 से ही तो मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, ठीक है? तो once you will do it by 100 by 100, you got -100 by 100, and in this case 200 by 100. Now 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2 are, -1 से आप नीचे जाएंगे या 200 से आप नीचे जाएंगे, आपको जो लेना है ले सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे 100 से पकड़ लेता हूँ. 100 by 100, 102 by 100, 103 by 100, 104 by 100, 105 by 100, 'You can write 0 also, because between -100 and 200 there exists 0 by 100 also. So you can, let's say, अगर बहुत मन हो रहा है तो आप यहाँ 0 by 100 0 भी लिख दीजिए. अगर आपको मन है तो how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If you want to write 100 by 11 by 100, 112 by 100, please solve. This is how you will solve exercise 1F. Second point is, many students or their parents will think that I took so many days to complete chapter 1 only. The reason being is, it has multiple exercises. It has almost 8 exercises. Correct? If I'm E, F, G, 7 exercises. And I don't want to run for a particular topic, that I just simply go through the topic. No, whatever we have done in details. So I hope that the students will understand and they will try to solve all the problems by their own. So now you solve exercise 1F. Now only one exercise is left, that is word problems. That we will also do in details. That's all for today. Thank you.